everybody. Today we are test driving Vauxhall Vivaro 2019, which came in with a DPF fault. Now the old faults has been solved. What can you say about your look at your driving?
Yes, quite well.
It's quite
Before there was just no power in it, driving really poorly, and now it just feels like a completely brand new van.
no engine lights,
No engine lights, nothing on it, smooth,
responsive.
very responsive, yeah.
Can you see black or white smoke?
I haven't, no.
You haven't.
No.
So
No.
would you say that was a good choice of doing what we did?
Yes, I think so, yes.
Okay. Another happy customer from Supreme DPF Cleaning. We are supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Westram, Kent. We'll be turning right, yeah. And we specialize with diesel particle filters, NOx system, Adblue system, EGR system, speed limiter removal, black or white smoke issues, power loss and high fuel consumption. We are also quantum tuning, ECU programming, authorized dealer. Also we do auto ghost, auto watch, ghost immobilizer system fitting center. Sorry, I had too many things in my mind. Right, you can reach me on 07533 636 194. My name is Errol. Thanks for watching.